All right, I am Jonathan Brenthel here, Jordan Brenthel, and wanted to go over some of the things that make us the most excited about this truck. I'll start out because I'm super excited and I love them. One of my favorite things are the Billet rear trailing arms. They start from Billet aluminum, 7075 aluminum. They are very similar to our trophy truck, race truck parts. They're even made in the same machines at our shop here in Southern California. It gives the truck a 4-link suspension, and obviously they look really cool. Billet trailing arm is actually even new to trophy trucks. And the fact that you're now putting this on a truck that rolls out of the dealership with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, it's pretty impressive. Next, yeah, what else you got? What are your favorite
I'm gonna
things?
go on to the carbon fiber, right? So when I first came up to these vehicles, carbon fiber, the whole bedside, the whole front fender is real carbon fiber. That's impressive.
And just to clarify, it is not just a piece right here. The entire panel of the bedside, front, hood, and fender, full carbon fiber, just painted black, and then these were masked just to kind of let it peel through a little bit. The small accents that the whole team worked through to kind of make it the perfect look on the truck. Next here, the team went through quite a few revisions and changes and options to try to get through to these, but the front fenders, specifically with these nice accents here, I just love them. It's very OE look, but still sporty, and they fit right in there nice with the supercharged logo badge.
You mentioned the supercharged. That is one of my key things about this vehicle.
Wait, not like power?
Yeah, it's not actually about the power as much, believe it or not. It's amazing to have all the power you need on the street. But what I like the most is when we were driving off-road, it gave you the ability to do stuff I've not been able to do in any other vehicle that comes out of a dealership. You need power to help you manipulate going over the desert, getting over the next rise. It makes the suspension usable in places that you can go through bigger ditches, bigger holes that you wouldn't have been able to before.
Let's move on to the inside for another feature here. Okay, so another awesome feature on all these vehicles is the Touchpoint system. Our first time actually driving one of the trucks, both Jonathan and I, were kind of blown away by the ease, comfort, styling, and how well this is integrated in here. So this is the Touchpoint system you'll see on a lot of other media points. So there's on-road, trail, desert, custom, and then using these, you can select comfort, balance, sport. It's really cool depending on what kind of driver you are and what type of driving you're doing that day. We've used all of them and played with all of them. It's like sometimes we're like, we're just gonna kind of go mellow, get from A to B in the desert. We go on comfort.
I've ever seen you in comfort mode. All right, so I think that concludes our favorite things about the Fox factory truck.
It might change next week after we have another few thousand miles on the truck.